welcome to Share Inspirations, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to plant divisions of obedient plant. I have dug a hole with my lovely auger. The link to purchase this auger would be in the description box below. The camera turned off on me while I was planting two of these plants, so I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick. This is a small plant that I have. These are the little divisions that I have received recently, and these flowers are very easy to grow. They look very similar to I want to say foxglove. I have a very difficult time growing foxglove from bare root because of the fact that it has taproot, and it's a biennial, so growing seed is also a pain. So I decided I'm going to give something else a shot that kind of looks like it, and these are purple flowers that would be great, wonderful cut flowers with tall spikes that are not annuals, that are perennials. I hope you found this video helpful and it added some value into your gardening, the cut flower gardening. I hope you have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.